There were rumors a few months back that the Galaxy S24 series, like the iPhone, will include an emergency messaging capability via satellite communication. The presence of this emergency feature has been further supported by recent reports. It has been confirmed via a leaked screenshot from a Galaxy phone that customers would be able to send text messages via satellite during crises with the Galaxy S24. This feature may be known by Samsung as emergency texts via satellite. Alongside the Galaxy S24, it will make its premiere. Samsung claims that sending an emergency text message over their satellite network will allow you to contact emergency services even if you're out of range or unable to connect to a network. In order for emergency response teams to find you and aid you, this feature is expected to be compatible with iPhones. You may send text messages with your GPS position information. It will be especially helpful in situations when you are trapped somewhere without network service and are unable to get in touch with your loved ones or emergency response teams via conventional ways. This feature may initially only be available in a few markets. Powered by Exynos and Snapdragon processors found in Galaxy S24 units, is probably going to spread to other nations as well. For two-way satellite communication, Samsung created their 5G NTN technology. In addition to this, the whole S24 portfolio is expected to launch at prices comparable to the Galaxy S23 series, according to a report. Prospective customers can anticipate that the Galaxy S24 will sell for $799 and the S24 Plus for $999, according to sources. The Ultra will retail for $1,199 and be offered to customers looking for top-of-the-line features and capabilities. It is noteworthy that versions with memory choices may have different prices. Samsung apparently expects a 10% increase in sales within the changing smartphone market by keeping prices the same throughout its flagship series. The business aims to sell over 33 million Galaxy S24 series units. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.